Let's learn how to change password on Binance. This is actually very easy and I will be showing you this tutorial on PC, but you can follow up with any other device because method is same on every platform. So let us start by going to user center. To that you will have to click on this little profile icon that says user center, and you will have to go to security. That's first in a row. Once tab loads, you will see the security and you will see login password that's used to log in into your account. Click on this manage button in that section. Now pop-up will appear, account restriction. It's saying here that you will not use Binance card for 24 hours just to prevent if someone wants to steal your account. In order to protect this, click on continue. You will have to verify with your passkey, so I will not do that now because I'm not on my phone. You can do verification via email. I did that now. So now change password. Here you will have to write new password with following order. So have 8 characters, 1 number and 1 uppercase letter. Confirm the same password here, click on confirm and you're done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.